Alright, man, today is August 7th and we're teaching Jordan how to swim in the ocean. Yeah, that's so beautiful. So, show me what you got. I want you to do your best swim, like the same way that you swim in a race.
Okay.
You're gonna swim this way, against the current.
Well, let me ask you a question. I mean, because I don't breathe well, I usually I can either put my head in the water and try to do it, or I stick my head out of the water.
Swim like if I am not here. Give me your best swim.
Okay.
Like if this is a race,
Okay.
I'm here to help you. I'm not here to
Okay.
judge you, or you know what I mean?
Yep.
I'm here to correct. This is for you. All right? Yep. Alright, I see already. Hips are dropping down, legs are not kicking. Big problem with breathing. I see a lot of weight training. Jordan probably do a lot of weight training in the gym. He got the idea, he just has no technique at all. Now the head is going up. This is why people get freaked out in a race. And the problem here is just he doesn't breathe well, so it's better to swim with the head up. Which means Jordan do triathlon in 400 meters, which is look at what happens when you have the head up. I'm going to show you how the hip and the kicking is. You're dragging your leg. So, this is what happens with a lot of athletes. They don't put it together, they don't know how to breathe, they don't know how to swim properly. And when they get in the bike, they're so tired. I always say it takes about 10 minutes to get the heart down. This guy, in few more strokes, he's gonna be so tired. Like extremely tired. You can see now he doesn't even swim anymore. He's just tired. How you feeling?
I mean, I'm fine in terms of cardio, but just drinking too much freaking water.
Right.
I don't know how to breathe.
Okay. That's why I was talking myself in the video so you can see later.
Okay.
So far, I like that you have the rhythm. I like that you are outgoing and you jump and no question of jumping or just do it. And your kick is horrible. Your hips are dropping down, which is bad. Your breathing is not good. And I think you do a lot of weight training, so you are like too tight, you know what I mean? You need to do more flexibility, and maybe slow down a little bit with the weight training. It's not a big deal. We're gonna get you swimming today, like really swimming today, and that would be the goal for the day. Just be big ears, not talking, and just copy and paste whatever I say. That's what you're gonna do. So we're gonna do few drills. That's how I get people swimming. But the first thing I want you to do, we're gonna have a game. We're gonna play with your lungs. Your lungs, they hold the air. All right. So if you have a buoy and you put it in the water, it's gonna float. Only for one reason. Why? It has air inside. If you get a knife, stuck in the buoy, that buoy is gonna go to the ground, right? It's gonna sink in the water. that's something that you are not doing very well because you have problems with
So there should
breathing.
always be air in your lungs at all times?
Like that?
There's always supposed to be air in your lungs at all times? Just a little bit less and a little bit more?
Not all the time, because the function of the lungs is inhale. I mean,
Right.
you take the air and you push it out.
Right.
So when you push it out, you cannot breathe at the same time.
Right.
You're either taking the air
Right.
or pushing it out. But
I don't have to empty the lungs all the way.
exactly. No.
Okay.
So we're gonna get to that before we get to. Like, I don't want you to be like everything together.
Okay.
I want to go one by one. So the first exercise I want you to experience is gonna be simple. You know how to float. You know people swim better in the ocean than the pool for one reason: more density. Yeah, there are salt minerals. So we're gonna just take advantage that we are in the ocean and learn how to float in the ocean. And the same way you have to relax to be able to float, that's the same way you have to swim. That's my secret. That's why I can tell people, hey, if you don't swim, you don't pay me. Because what I teach people is how to relax in the water. Okay. So that will be my main focus for today with you. Alright? So this is